Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We're now going to have stage 7 of our Build Your Own Iron-man MKIII Armour. Okay, so we're on stage 7 now, which means we've had another delivery. I think most of this is we're continuing on with the right arm in this one, and for the whole pack that is. And yeah, so this one I think we're working on the right forearm. So these are the parts we get here for stage 7. Get 3 little parts in there. So I don't think we've got too much to do. So basically what we're doing is taking this part and we're going to be adding these 3 parts onto here, connecting them all together with a BP screw, and that is all we should have left at the end of stage 1. Stage 2 of this part build, we're going to need to bring in our elbow joint. We're going to secure that in there with a DM screw, and that's what we should have. It's half the forearm attached to our elbow joint. So as you can see, it should be a nice, quick and easy, simple video, this one. And if you want to pick this up for yourself, head on over to fanhome.com. Links will be down below in the description. You can pick up this from issue 1. So without further ado, guys, let's get the parts open and start building. So starting off, we've got this bit of the forearm, which is die cast metal. This part here is plastic, and so is this part here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this part here, we're going to do it this way around. This is going to get lowered down onto here. There is a peg on the back just here. You can just see the peg going into the peg hole. So line them two up, slide that in, just like so. We can take this part, this is going to get lowered down that way round into there. Just like so, turn that round, and then we can put a BP screw in this hole here. So we grab our BP screw, secure that all the way down into there, nice and tight, and that is that part of the forearm all complete. So we're going to attach this now to our elbow joint. So here is our elbow joint, and we want the longer of the two is going to go into this. So we're going to turn this over, have that way round. This is going to go down into there, locate over there, and we can put a DM screw in this hole here and here. Let's get the first of these DM screws in. I'm going to put that in the end here. One more to go. Secure this one all the way down. Just like so. Have a look at that. That's looking awesome already. So we've got some more work to do on this side in the next one. So that is it, guys. That is stage 7 all complete. Really quick and easy video, this one. And if you want to see stage 8, click the join button down below. There is a new join button down there. Stage 8 will be available to all members down there, as well as all the Knight Rider videos as well. That's down there. And yeah, so basically what I'm doing is I've got building work going on next door, so I'm having to film the whole pack all in one, and then I'm going to split it into 4 videos so you can go along and watch each and every video now if you click that join button. If not, just click the subscribe button. That's the free one. You click subscribe and then you'll be notified when those videos are available to everyone. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.